So what's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Higgsfield. Higgsfield AI is a generative AI platform that lets creators produce images, short videos, motion clips, and visual content using text prompts and presets. It's often marketed towards social media creators, brands, advertisers, and indie filmmakers. Some users say the platform makes it easy to generate images and short videos quickly, which is handy for social media content or prototypes. It comes with multiple generation tools and presets, motion effects, cinematic style, branded content helpers that aim to reduce the need for traditional filming and editing. People without editing skills sometimes report that they can get started fairly fast compared to learning complex video software. But on the other hand, it has multiple reviewers report that video quality isn't always reliable, outputs have inconsistency issues, and some generations fail or deliver subpar results compared to marketing examples. This makes it less suited for polished production work. Also, several users complain that unlimited plans don't actually prevent long queues. Some images or videos can take minutes to hours to generate, especially under load. So overall, Higgsfield AI is a mixed bag. It can produce interesting visuals and speed up simple content creation, but many users have reported performance issues, misleading ads, confusing pricing, and unreliable support. So if you're considering it mainly for professional work or guaranteed results, it may not deliver it at a high level. And if you're okay with experimenting and potentially using backup tools, it can still be useful. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.